Hello.
Hello,
Hi. How are you doing?
very good. What about you?
Good. My name is Katie. I'm from Canada. What's your name?
My name is Brijesh Yadav. I am from India.
Okay. How do you say British?
Brijesh,
Brijesh. Brijesh. Okay. And you
yeah,
said you're from India?
India.
Yes, India. Okay, good. Why do you want to learn English?
Because I have completed my post graduation in English, but I speak broken English. That's why I want to brush up on my English because it's my second time Cambly. That's why I am here.
Okay. You completed your education in English in India. That's right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay. Yeah. I didn't catch what you said about your family.
No, I said that it's my second time on Cambly. I came.
Okay. I see. I heard now. Your second time on Cambly. Okay. So you want to have more fluent English.
Yeah, because I
Okay.
have English degree, but I speak broken English. That's why I really want to be fluent.
Okay. Do you want what kind of job do you want? Do you want like to be a translator?
Maybe, but first of all, I want to be fluent. After that, I like reading books. So by reading a lot of book, it seems to me that I can be a good motivational speaker as well. So first of all, I would like to be a YouTuber where I would like to be a motivational speaker. That's the reason, and it's like you can understand, it's my dream job because doing other job is not my cup of tea. I think that's why I am working on it.
Yeah. You read a lot. That's good. I recommend that to people. So that's good that you do that. Yes. Okay. You want to be a YouTuber? Okay. Did you say something else as well?
Yeah, I said that I want to be a motivational speaker as well.
What Oh, that is very good. Yeah, I think yeah, when I remember when I was in school, the school would hire motivational speakers to speak to us. I think that's a very interesting job. Are you good
Yeah,
at giving speeches?
uh, if you can if you have ability to read a lot of book, then easily you can motivate people because I think so reading book is very good habit and you can get a lot of knowledge from the book.
Yes. I
Yeah,
am very bad at public speaking. So I admire people who are good at it.
yeah. Same here. I also don't speak fluent in front of people, and I get stuck while speaking English. I feel little bit ants in my pants sometime when it's come to speaking English.
Mhm. Yeah. Do you like to motivate young people in your speeches? Sort of tell them they can be whatever they want to be?
Yeah, I think so. I am able to do that because I have seen many of my friends who sometimes don't control his emotions and they say something uh, unexpectable. You don't want to hear that things. So many times I makes him understand and people understand me easily. So I can say yes, I can do it.
Okay. You give good advice, it sounds like. Yeah.
Yeah. I give very good advice to anyone. That's why people and my friends come to me because they trust on me that he will give very.
Yeah. You give good advice and You are a positive person, I think. It
Yeah, I am
sounds
very
yeah.
positive and energetic as well because I think that people should always do their best in every field, whatever they are doing. So by you can just see that if I have English degrees, so I am working on it. No matter what else I am doing right now, but English is my main focus, my main motive, my main goals. So doing other job as well as, and I am learning English. Yeah,
Good. Yeah. I think those two qualities I said, they're underrated. Have you ever heard that? When someone says underrated?
underrated. No, first time I think I see this.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh that means something isn't appreciated as much as it should be.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So people don't talk about giving good advice and um, being very positive as something that's useful, but I think it should be considered useful.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
do you enjoy to being a tutor?
I do, yes. Um, I have never taught before. I think many people on Cambly, from what I hear, are already teachers. So I feel like I am learning as I go. And it's a challenge for me, but it's rewarding and so interesting to speak to people from everywhere, all around the world, different jobs. Um, Everyone has something new to say, something new for me to hear every day.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
did you ever talked with any Indian?
Yes. Uh, Often. Yeah. I think um maybe one of the top 5 most common
Yeah,
countries, I
you
think.
can share.
What's that?
You can share about those countries.
I can say what can I say about the countries?
Uh, Leave it. Just say something about what did you find about Indian people?
Indian people. Uh, I don't know. Uh, Friendly, I think friendly. I think a lot of the time I said I was from Canada already, right?
Yeah.
Maybe. Okay. I think sometimes people say, people from Canada aren't friendly, they aren't warm. I think, it's more common in countries such as India to be friendly and maybe open, compared to where I live. So,
By the way, what most people do for living in Canada?
most people, I don't
Yeah.
know. Everyone uh, everyone can't have the same job because there are so many different jobs. If everyone tried to have the same job, they would fail. They wouldn't get the job. So I don't know how to answer that question.
Yeah. So it seems to me that uh, Canada provides a lot of visa than other countries. So uh, people like to go Canada rather than other countries. That's why. So I think it is good for that person who really want to achieve their goals with the big degrees. So they must go Canada, I think.
Yeah, I think a lot of people want degrees, like you said, like master's degrees, or they want to go to English school so they can learn to speak English in a school in Canada. And sometimes they go back home. Sometimes they want to stay. It depends on the person, but yeah, it's a very special experience, I think, for people.
Yeah.
What which you said, sorry, you said at the beginning you want to go abroad for a degree?
No,
No.
I want to go, but this time I think it's not possible. But it will be pleasure if I go any other countries, and I
Oh,
just dream about it
okay.
currently. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
but
That's a
I
dream.
hope so.
Sorry.
I hope so that
Uh,
I will visit one day.
okay. Okay. What country would be the best, you think, for you? You
UK will be best, I think.
Yeah, yeah. UK is very popular. A lot of people want to go there. Um,
Yeah, I see in India many Indians go for study UK as well. So I heard a lot about that country, and it's some greater place in that country. So like I would like to go that. Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, it's a good place. India is very, very far away from Canada. I think not as far from the UK. Still far
So
though.
yeah, it has, but Canada and US is far or is near.
Uh, Very, very close. Most people who live in Canada live very, very close to the American border.
So it
It's
happens that Canadian people do job in US
sometimes people will leave Canada to do that. Sometimes. Yeah.
and they can't go every day for work.
Oh, I see what you're asking. Uh, I think I don't think anyone or many people would live in Canada and then drive to the US because it's close, but not that close.
Really.
It's yeah. Um, I probably live 3 or 4 hours from the border, but that's very far south for Canada still. I live in the south of Ontario.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do
So,
you go America whenever you want to go?
no. Maybe I should. Maybe. It doesn't
You
interest me as much.
still you didn't go America,
I have before when I was a child.
but after that you didn't go.
I don't find it interesting enough, I think.
But it's very near to you.
Yeah, yeah, it's true. But I think I don't know, it's the same as Canada almost. A little different, but I don't know.
Yeah, yeah, we can think so. It's not many difference between Canada and US.
Yeah. I
So,
go
would you
like
like to? Sorry,
ask go ahead, ask the question. I
would
forget.
you like to? Would you like to give me any advice for being fluent?
For being fluent. Um, so I think your English is good, first of all. I think the main uh maybe issue would be unfortunately pronunciation. So a good way to
Yeah,
do that is okay, doing this, but also um you read books. Do you ever listen to audiobooks?
no, I don't.
If you repeat after a native speaker, it doesn't need to be a person in front